Hello, this is Michael Nelly with the Blueprint News Network reporting on the new art wing at Downers Grove South High School. Schwartz highlights what the new classrooms are and how they differentiate from their old classrooms.
We have 2 classrooms on the second floor that are general use classrooms, and right now we mostly have social studies in one room and English classes in the other. There's also 2 science rooms on the second floor, and there's a variety of different science classes from anatomy and physiology to the biomedical science classes, etc. And then on the first floor, we have all new art rooms, and all art classes are in the new spaces except the photography classes, which are in the renovated space right next to us.
Willard speaks on how the new wing will affect his learning.
I think it'll be cool because there'll be a lot more spaces to be have quiet and maybe focus a little bit more.
Miss O'Truck explains how her new classroom is different from her old classroom.
This classroom is different than the old classroom for a lot of reasons. So this is the first one that I've taught in here at South that it's set up specifically to be an art classroom. So we had a lot of say in like cabinet space, how many sinks we have, what type of storage we have, which I think is really going to be the biggest difference, is that like everything is laid out in a way that's specifically for art materials.
William speaks on how the new wing will affect her learning.
Honestly, it looks just like really nice and polished. It'll probably motivate me to want to do better, especially in my art classes, since it looks so nice. Kind of a little to the standard of it.
Schwartz talks on some specific features that come with the new wing.
Well, the obvious is it's new, right? And it's much more open and airy and bright. So I think just the atmosphere itself is more conducive to learning. On top of that, most of the equipment and furniture in the spaces is new, so they're getting to use newer and more state-of-the-art equipment. The layout of the rooms were designed for what they were built in. Some of our existing spaces over the years were repurposed, right? They were built for one thing and then repurposed for something else. These rooms are being used for exactly what they were built for, so that's an advantage to make it more functional.
This has been Michael Nelly with the Blueprint News Network, live from Downers Grove South High School.